So how do you write emails that people actually open and read? It starts with a subject line. Your subject line is the gatekeeper. It doesn't matter how good your email is if nobody opens it. And the subject line is what determines whether they open or scroll right past. A few tips here. Keep it short. 6 to 10 words is a good range. People are scanning their inbox quickly, so you don't have much space to work with. Create curiosity or highlight value. Give them a reason to want to know more. Or make it clear what they're going to get if they open. And avoid spam triggers. All caps, excessive punctuation, the word free in all caps with 3 exclamation points. Ugh. That stuff either lands you in spam or just makes people roll their eyes. Now, for the email itself, write like you talk. Use contractions. Be conversational. This isn't a formal business letter. It's a message to someone who signed up to hear from you. So keep paragraphs short. Big blocks of text are hard to read, especially on phones. Make it easy to scan. Get to the point. Respect their time. Don't bury the important stuff 5 paragraphs in. And always end with a clear next step. What do you want them to do after reading? Click a link? Reply? Buy something? Tell them. Here's a simple framework you can use. First, hook them in the first line. Give them a reason to keep reading. Second, deliver the value of the message. This is the meat of the email. Third, clear call to action. One thing you want them to do. And optionally, a PS line at the end. The PS line is actually the second most read part of any email, right after the subject line. People's eyes jump right to it, so use it.